To use the LightFunnels Domain Connector extension, you first need to install the extension from the Google Chrome Extension Store, then open it. To start, in the Input field, you should type the domain name you want to connect to your funnel or store. After clicking Check Domain, a link will appear that will take you directly to the correct page to add the necessary DNS settings. Once clicked, if you are not authenticated, you will need to sign in first. After that, open the extension again and choose if you want to connect your root domain to your store or just a subdomain. After you select your choice, finally just click Add DNS Record and wait for the process to finish. Please make sure if you're connecting your root domain that you don't have any conflicting record, meaning there are no CNAME record with the name www. After the process finishes successfully, you can go back to your LightFunnels dashboard and add your domain to the platform.